6th Standard Term 2 Social Science Subject History Unit 3 From Chiefdoms to Empires. The importance of 6th century. During the 6th century BC, many territorial states emerged. So this led to the transformation of socio-economic and political life of the people in the Gangetic Plains. A new intellectual awakening began to develop in North India. So the Mahavira and Gautama Buddha represented this new awakening. Role of iron in a changing society. Iron played a significant role in this transformation of society. The fertile soil of the Gangetic valleys and the use of iron plowshares improved agricultural production. In addition, iron facilitated craft production. So agrarian surplus and increase in craft production resulted in the emergence of trading and exchange centers. This in turn paved the way for the rise of towns and cities. Thus, knowledge in the use of iron gave Magadha an advantage over other Mahajanapadas. Thus, Magadha could establish an empire of its own. Gana, Sanghas, and kingdoms. There are two kinds of government in the North India during the 6th century BC. They are Ganas, Sanghas. It's a non-monarchical state. Second one is kingdoms, which is monarchies. The term Gana means people of equal status and Sangha means assembly. So the Gana Sanghas covered a small geographical area ruled by an allied group. The Gana Sangha practiced egalitarian traditions. A kingdom means a territory ruled by a king or a queen. In a kingdom, a family which rules for a long period becomes a dynasty. So, it follows a monarchy principles. Usually, these kingdoms adhered to orthodox Vedic traditions. Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. Janapadas were the earliest gathering places of men. Later, Janapadas became republics or smaller kingdoms. The widespread use of iron in Gangetic Plain created conditions for the formation of large territorial units, transforming the Janapadas into Mahajanapadas. 16 Mahajanapadas are the great countries. The 16 Mahajanapadas dotted in the Gangetic Plain in the 6th century BC. It was a transition from a semi-nomadic kingship-based society to an agrarian society with networks of trade and exchange. Hence, an organized and a strong system of governance required a centralized state apparatus. The 16 Mahajanapadas are Anga, Magadha, Vaji, Mala, Kasi, Kuru, Kosala, Avanti, Cheddi, Vatsa, Panchala, Machacha, Surusena, Asaka, Gandhara and Kamboja. Apart from 16 Mahajanapadas, the major 4 Mahajanapadas are Magadha in Bihar, Avanti in Ujjain, Kosala in eastern Uttar Pradesh and Vatsa in Kasambi, Allahabad. So among these 4 Mahajanapadas, Magadha emerged as an empire. The causes for the rise of Magadha. Magadha was located on the lower part of the Gangetic Plain. The plain was fertile, which ensured the rich agricultural yield. So this provided a regular and substantial income to the state. The thick forest supplied timber for construction of building and elephants for an army. Abundance of natural resources, especially iron, enabled them to equip themselves with weapons made of iron. Growing trade and commerce facilitated movement of people as well as settlement of people in center of arts and crafts. The outcome was urbanized and emergence of Magadha as an empire. The dynasties of ancient Magadha. 4 dynasties ruled over Magadha Empire. They are Haryanka dynasty, Shushunga dynasty, Nanda dynasty, and the Maurya dynasty. Haryanka dynasty. Haryanka dynasty. Magadha's gradual rise to political supremacy began with Bimbisara of Haryanka dynasty. Bimbisara extended the territory of Magadha Empire by conquest and matrimonial alliances with Licchavis, Madra, and Kosala. His son Ajatashatru, a contemporary of Buddha, convened the first Buddhist council at Rajagriha. Udayan, the successor of Ajatashatru, laid the foundation of the new capital at Patliputra. Next dynasty is Shishunga dynasty. Haryanka dynasty was succeeded by the Shishunga dynasty. Kalasoga, a king of Shishunga dynasty, shifted the capital from Rajagriha to Patliputra. He convened the second Buddhist council at Vaishali. Nanda dynasty. Nandas were the first empire builders of India. The first Nanda ruler was Mahabhatma. Mahabhatmanabha Nanda was succeeded by his 8 sons. They were known as Navanandas. Navanandas means 9 Nandas. Dhanananda, the last Nanda ruler, was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya. Nalanda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nalanda was a large Buddhist monastery in ancient kingdom of Magadha. It became the most renowned seat of learning during the reign of Guptas. The word Nalanda is a Sanskrit combination of 3 words, Na plus Alam plus Da, meaning no stopping of the gift of knowledge. Mauryan Empire. Sources: archaeological sources, punch marked coins, inscriptions, edicts of Ashoka, Junagadh inscriptions. Secular literature: Kautalya's Arthasastra, Visakha Datta's Mudra Rakshasa, Maamulanar's poem in Ahananuru. Religious literatures: Jain, Buddhist text and Puranas. Foreign notices: Dibavamsa, Mahavamsa and Indica. Megasthenes. He was the ambassador of the Greek ruler Seleucus in the court of Chandragupta. He stayed in India for 14 years. His book Indica is one of the main sources for the study of Mauryan Empire. Mauryan Empire is India's first empire. Capital Patliputra, present day Patna in Bihar. Government monarchy. Historical era 322 BC to 187 BC. Important kings: Chandragupta, Bindusara and Ashoka. Grandeur of Patliputra. The great capital city in the Mauryan Empire, which had 64 gates to the city with 570 watchtowers. 64 gates to the city with 570 watchtowers. Chandragupta Maurya. The Mauryan Empire was the first empire in India. Chandragupta Maurya established the empire in Magadha. Bhadrabahu, a Jain monk, took Chandragupta Maurya to the southern India. Chandragupta performed Salekhana, a Jain rituals in which a person fasts unto his death, in Saravanabalagola in Karnataka. Bindusara. The real name of Bindusara was Simhasena. He was the son of Chandragupta Maurya. Greeks called Bindusara as Amitragatha, meaning slayer of enemies. During Bindusara reign, Mauryan Empire spread over large parts of India. He appointed his son Ashoka as governor of Ujjain. After his death, Ashoka ascended the throne of Magadha. Ashoka was the most famous of the Mauryan king. He was known as Devanampiya, meaning beloved to the gods. Ashoka fought the Kalinga War in 261 BCE. He won the war and captured Kalinga. The horror of war was described by the king himself in the Rock Edict 13th Rock Edict Kalinga War, which took place in modern day Odisha in the year 261 BC. Ashoka shines and shines brightly like a bright star even unto this day. This quote was said by H. G. Wells, a famous historian. Lion capital of Ashoka. The emblem of the Indian Republic has been adopted from the lion capital of one of the Ashoka's pillars located at Sarnath. The wheel from the circular base. The Ashoka Chakra is a part of the national flag. Chandasoga to Dhammasoga. Chandasoga Ashoka the weak to Dhammasoga Ashoka the righteous. After the battle of Kalinga, Ashoka became a Buddhist. He undertook tours known as Dharma Yatras to different parts of the country, instructing people on policy of Dhamma. The meaning of Dhamma is explained in Ashoka's Pillar Edict 2, second Pillar Edict Dhamma. It contained the noblest ideas of humanism, forming the essence of all religion. He laid stress on compassion, charity, purity, saintliness, self-control, truthfulness, obedience, and respect for parents, preceptors, and elders. Ashoka sent his son Mahinda and Sanghamitta to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism. He also sent missionaries to West Asia, Egypt, and Eastern Europe to spread the message of Dhamma. The Dhamma Mahamadas were a new cadre of officials created by Ashoka. Their job was to spread Dhamma all over the empire. Ashoka held the third Buddhist council at his capital Patliputra. Edicts of Ashoka. The 33 edicts on the pillars as well as boulders and cave walls made by the emperor Ashoka describes in detail. Ashoka's belief in peace, righteousness, justice, and his concern for the welfare of his people. An edict is an official proclamation issued by an authority or a king. The script of the inscriptions. At Sanchi, it's Brahmi script. At Kandahar, it's Greek and Aramaic. At the northwestern part, it's Karahosti. The Rock Edicts 2 and 8 of Ashoka refers to the names of three dynasties, namely Pandyas, Cholas, Keralaputras, and the Satyaputras. Mauryan administration. Centralized administration. The king was the supreme and sovereign authority of the Mauryan emperor. Council of ministers known as Mandri Parishad assisted the king. Assembly of ministers included a Prohit, a Senapati, a Mahamantri, and the Yuvaraja. King had an excellent spy system. Revenue system of Mauryan Empire. The land was the most important source of revenue for the state. Ashokan inscription at Lumini mentions Bali and Baga as tax collected from people. The land tax Baga collected was 1/6 of the total produce. Revenue from taxes on forest, mines, salt, and irrigation provided additional revenue to the government. Much of the state revenue was spent on paying the army, the officials of the royal government, on charities, and on different public works such as irrigation project, road construction, etc. Judicial system. The king was the head of the judiciary. He was the highest court of appeal. King appointed many judges subordinate to him. The punishments were very harsh. Military administration. The king was the supreme commander of the army. A board of 30 members divided into 6 committees with 5 members on each monitored navy, armory, infantry, cavalry, the war chariots, and the war elephants. Municipal administration includes cities and towns. Board of 30 members divided into 6 committees. Each had 5 members to manage the administrations of the city. Town administration was under Naharika. He was assisted by Stanika and Gopa. The Junnar or Girnar inscription of Rudradaman records that the construction of a water reservoir known as Sudarsana Lake was begun during the time of Chandragupta Maurya and completed during Ashoka's reign. Currency. Money was not only used for trade, even the government paid its officers in cash. The punch-marked silver coins known as panas, which carry the symbol of the peacock, the hill, and the crescent copper coins called masakas, formed the imperial currency. Trade and urbanization. Trade flourished particularly with Greece, Malaya, Ceylon, and Burma. The Arthashastra refers to the regions producing specialized textiles. Kasi, Banaras, Vanga, Bengal, Kamarupa, Assam, and Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Main exports items are spices, pearls, diamonds, cotton textile, ivory work, corn seals. Main imports horses, gold, glassware, and linen. The Mauryan art and architecture. Mauryan art can be divided into 2 forms. One is indigenous art and another one is royal art. The indigenous art are statues of yakshas and yakshish. Royal arts are palaces and public buildings, monolithic pillars, rock cut architecture, and stupas. Yakshas were deities connected with water, fertility, trees, the forest, and wilderness. Yakshis were their female counterpart. A stupa is a semi-spherical dome-like structure constructed on brick or stone. The Buddha's relics were placed in the center of the dome. Monolithic pillar, Sarnath. The crowning element in this pillar is Dharma Chakra. Beginning of rock cut architecture. Rock cut caves of Barbar and Nagarjuna hills. There are several caves to the north of Bodh Gaya. 3 caves in Barbara hills have dedicative inscription of Ashoka, and 3 in Nagarjuna hills have inscription of Dasaratha Maurya, a grandson of Ashoka. Lomas Rishi cave was located in Barbar. Reasons for the decline of the Mauryan Empire. Ashoka's successors were very weak. Continuous revolt in different parts of the empire. Invention by the Bactrian Greeks weakened the emperor. Last Maurya ruler, Brihadratha, was killed by his commander Pushyamitra Shunga, who established Shunga dynasty. Ancient name and its modern name, Rajgriha. Its modern name is Rajgir. Patliputra, its modern name is Patna. Kalinga, its modern name is Odisha. Elsewhere in the world, the contemporary period of the 6th century, the Great Wall of China, it is an ancient series of fortification. During the 3rd century BC, Emperor Quan Shi Huang linked these walls on the northern border to protect his empire. Temple of Zeus at Olympia, an ancient temple in Olympia, Greece, dedicated to the god Zeus, constructed during the 5th century BC. It is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Summary: 6th century BC forms an important landmark as it witnessed the emergence of 16 Mahajanapadas. Among the 16 Mahajanapadas, Magadha emerged as an empire. Magadha was ruled by 4 dynasties. They are the Haryanka dynasty, the Susunga dynasty, the Nanda dynasty, and the Mauryan dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya established the Mauryan emperor. Ashoka was the most famous of the Mauryan kings. Ashoka's pillars and rock edict enlightens us on his ideas of Dhamma. Thank you.